In 2012, we set out to make the perfect e-ink monitor/e-reader, one with a paper-like digital display. We called it the Companion Ink. It was good, but it wasn't great. There were a few flaws and a few limitations. But the functions were very useful and the experience compelling enough to pursue. So the idea was born. We learned so much from our journey in production of our first device, and we set off to make the perfect device soon after. Fast forward to today, and we believe we've nailed it. Meet the nextPAPER. It's everything we've ever wanted in a paper tablet. It's a wireless e-ink monitor that actually works. It's an e-reader of any format, and it's the most practical and useful paper tablet we've ever used. Let me show you what it does. You see, ebooks are great, but much more content live on the internet. Blogs, websites, articles, comments, and stories online. But up until now, you had to consume them all on an LCD screen. A device which isn't best suited for reading. We believe that this device solves that problem. Send any text on any website with a simple click via the browser extension or Windows app and instantly see the content on the nextPAPER display. It doesn't matter whether you're on your phone, PC, or Mac. Send it over to the device and instantly see it on the nextPAPER. Access billions of free and open content already online, ready to be consumed on a paper screen. It's sent instantly. No delays, no waiting. Hit that button and instantly see it on the paper screen. Save multiple articles or websites and stack them onto the device ready for later viewing. You will see them as a list and you can start reading when you're ready. No more long articles on an LCD. Send it to the device and immediately turn it into pure, crisp black ink. It's like printing, but much, much faster. It removes the ads and unnecessary clutter. It formats it perfectly for your reading pleasure. This is by far the best way to consume text media online. No bright lights, no screen glare, no ads, just pure information ready for consumption. It's the best paper-like experience on a digital device. Jot down your thoughts, it's fast. We didn't stop until input lag was virtually non-existent. Draw, write, and sketch on a beautiful paper-like display. Send it directly to your PC ready for editing. Save it locally or the cloud and sync it across many existing services. It has very practical and useful functions that you can use straight out of the box, such as the Reddit-specific subreddit function. For example, in the subreddit r/NoSleep, it formats the text submissions into a perfect reading format. Enjoy the stories how it was meant to be read on a paper-like screen. And it formats comments perfectly. No more straining your eyes reading long threads of comments on an LCD. Top comments are displayed first. Then when you click on the comment, the thread and replies for that comment is revealed. We're continually adding to the services that the nextPAPER can format perfectly on its e-ink screen. For example, in Wuxia World, where there are thousands of novels on the forums, you can send the stories directly to the paper display and enjoy it like printed text. On MangoFox, it formats the pages perfectly on the e-ink display. Experience a better way of consuming manga online. You can even drag and drop documents or copy and paste text manually and instantly send it to the device. PDFs? No problem. We know how sluggish PDFs can get on your typical e-reader. nextPAPER handles PDFs like a breeze. You can even sign documents and make notes right on the screen. Then share it instantly on existing services such as Google Drive, Dropbox, email, and more. This is all possible because of the tech that we crammed into this device. Years of R&D has led us to this spec monster. 1 gig of RAM, 1 gigahertz of CPU, and a massive battery that has a 4-week standby. It's got a mini SD card slot, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, and it's even got a built-in speaker. Oh, and of course, a headphone jack. See, we did this because we wanted our device to last. I've had my Kindle 2 since its release, and for the most part, it does everything I expect it to do. And I still use it today. We wanted to incorporate that same philosophy to the nextPAPER. There will be no planned obsolescence. It will do what it needs to do for a very long time. Nothing more, nothing less. Attach a Bluetooth keyboard and start typing your thoughts, your notes, your blog posts, and stories. Fire up your favorite spreadsheet program like Excel and crunch numbers and data on digital paper. You can work tirelessly for hours without eye strain. Write code and share it on GitHub and many other repositories. This is not just another e-ink tablet running Android. The nextPAPER is designed to run apps optimized for the e-ink screen. A2 mode handles faster page turns and animations, and you have total control of when to activate it. To accelerate the e-ink innovation space, an open SDK also allows developers to call on this function to make apps such as speed reading apps, animations, and more. The possibilities for e-ink apps will now be open to new ideas. And because it's a companion project, it's completely open source. No barriers, no DRM, no jailbreaking. It's jailbroken out of the box. In a world full of LCDs, most of us have to consume text on a technology not best suited for reading. It's like drinking soup with a fork. It's possible, but not optimum. Studies show that we humans prefer reading on paper. No constant flickering, no invisible strobe-like effect straining the muscles controlling our eyes. Perhaps this is why reading on an LCD activates a part of our brain which isn't best suited for data retention and understanding. Why we sleep less at night and why our eyes are always red. It's now apparent that we humans spend an average of 9 hours a day in front of the screen, a huge jump from just a decade ago. Sometimes it feels like we just need a break from it all. The nextPAPER is not just another tablet, it's a window to the digital paper on your desktop. A window to help reduce our reliance to the LCD screen, a window to a healthier lifestyle, a healthier you. It's an on-the-go note-taking device and the ultimate textual consumption device without fear of being locked into one bookstore or ecosystem. You can make this a reality. Together, we can change the e-ink market. Let's change the way we see paper today. You can shape the future of digital paper. Help us make this real.